Welcome back. And the other big story that we are tracking closely is coming up from Faizabad, because you have the Supreme Court monitored panel, 3 members of that panel that have reached Faizabad. And right now what we are getting to know that they will also be interacting with the local authorities there in Faizabad. And the Supreme Court appointed mediators for the Ayodhya case, Justice Khalifullah, Sri Ravi Shankar, spiritual guru, and Sri Ram Panchu are in Ayodhya today. Let me straight away go across to Nalini, our legal correspondent who is there in Ayodhya. Nalini, just take us through the developments that have been happening in the recent past. We are now knowing that all 3 of them have reached Faizabad.
Yes, absolutely, Amita. In fact, right now, with Sri Ravi Shankar also reaching Faizabad at this minute, we can confirm that all of the 3 mediators are present in the guest house at Awadh University, where this entire mediation is now all set to take place. So all of these 3 mediators now will be going documents in detail of the kind of documents that have been relied on by different parties in the case, after which they are going to, from tomorrow, be holding meetings with the parties themselves. The parties, along with their advocates on record, have been asked to reach the mediation venue, which is the Awadh University, by 10 a.m. tomorrow. And that is essentially when the entire mediation process is going to begin. What we're given to understand is it's going to last almost about 3 days. And after that, the mediators will then decide what needs to be done further.
All right, so Nalini, you also have the stakeholders probably who will be also part of this mediation, obviously, but that information and their schedule will be kept away from public eye. But looking at the latest situation there, because now you have all 3 mediators who have reached Faizabad, and what exactly will be their first step forward as we continue to stay with the live visuals as well? Nalini.
Well, the parties, along with their advocates, have been asked to appear tomorrow. Tomorrow is the first time when they'll be hearing the parties and exactly what is the stand that they want to put forth. Of course, the sense of mediation will be to try and reach a compromise between all of the parties, to try and ensure that they reach some common consensus. And for that, they will have to find some common ground between the parties as well as the mediators. So keeping that in mind, the parties will need to be open to the idea of some sort of compromise to ensure that this mediation, in fact, is successful. So we'll have to wait and see whether or not that actually happens. Also keeping in mind that the parties themselves are not going to be alone. They're also going to be represented by their advocates, with this panel of mediators. Will, of course, lead us to believe that they still have to stick to the basis has to be sticking to the points of law and trying to determine exactly who legally has the right over that disputed land. So we'll have to see exactly what kind of points they put forth.
Absolutely. So it's a long-standing dispute that probably will be resolved, because that is the Supreme Court also stressing on the fact that if there is 1% chance of resolving this decade-long dispute, well, that chance must be taken. And the visuals on your screens are Sri Ravi Shankar there, just landing there in Faizabad and making his way to the Awadh University. Security there has been beefed up significantly, and Nalini will continue to get us the latest updates from Ayodhya. For the moment, thank you very much.